Oh, who is that other man with the camera, you ask? Well, as it happens, today I am being shot and interviewed for a segment on Evening Magazine. Hi, welcome back to Mad in the Kitchen with me, Madeline Smithberg. So this is kind of a meta experience. They're shooting a story on me, shooting an episode. Whoa, it's so trippy. Hi, Kim. I love it. It's like an onion. It just keeps going and going and going with the trippiness.
This isn't just the start of a cooking show.
Hey, Sky, tell me when you're ready. Sam, tell me when you're ready.
It's a woman's life coming full circle.
Welcome back. Hi. Welcome back to Mad in the Kitchen with me, Madeline Smithberg. Today, we're going to be having some fun with figs. Have you noticed every time you go into the store, there's just piles of them? That's because it's fig season, and they're really delicious, but only going to be here for maybe 3 more weeks. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut them in half. We're going to stuff them with goat cheese. We're going to wrap it in prosciutto. We're going to put it on the grill, and then we're going to put that on top of a very lightly dressed arugula salad. You ready? Let's get going. So what I do is I basically cut the ends off and cut them in half the long way. That's really it. It's super simple and super easy. Then what you do is you just take a piece of goat cheese, and yes, I've sanitized and washed my hands, so don't yell at me. You just take a piece of prosciutto, you wrap it around the fig and the cheese, and boom, you're done. It's that easy. I mean, it is like a job that takes some hands, which, you know, some people are scared of, but get over it. Just dive in. It's really fun. You want to impress your friends? This is the way to do it. When you take it to the potluck, of course. So you just wrap it around, and if it doesn't work, you just squeeze harder, and it happens. I've been heating my grill for about 5 minutes, and I have it on a very low flame. What you want to do is get it to cook all the way through without scorching the prosciutto, which is, you know, it's like a first cousin of bacon. So it cooks pretty fast and gets beautiful and crunchy, and that really is the idea. You just lay them on the grill. Now, if I'm quiet and I do this, later on in post, we'll make it look like I do it really fast. All right, you guys have a nice sauna. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Yes, we want to hug it.
Let's see how our figs are doing. Hi, guys. Oh my God, they're beautiful. It really is astounding to me that when my evil plans work, look at that. They're beautiful and brown, and the cheese is melting, and the sugar in the figs makes a little bit of an almost caramelly kind of thing. So now we're gonna make a very, very simple arugula salad, which is gonna act as a bed for our figs and prosciutto and goat cheese to lay on. Let's face it, they're tired. They want to take a nap, so I'm gonna make them a bed. I've taken this is baby arugula. So cute. It grows up so fast and gets so bitter. I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit of olive oil. I am saying maybe a tablespoon and a half. I do not want to overdress it. I think the real star of this show is the fig and the prosciutto. And put a little salt, just because why not? A little pepper, just because why not? And literally maybe, let's say half a teaspoon of balsamic glaze. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of Parmesan. If I'm not doing it myself, I like the shaved Parmesan. I don't like Parmesan with a beard. I don't like facial hair on my cheese, or actually on any of my dairy products. So now I'm just gonna give this a little bit of a toss. It's almost for color. A lot of people won't even eat the salad, but I will because it's really delicious. All right, I'm pretty sure our figs are done. Let's take a look. Oh, yes. They are perfect. I can tell without even digging deep in. They are just gorgeous. So I'm gonna just take them out, take them off, lay them on their bed because they're tired. Remember, is it memory foam? No, it's arugula. That is just a beautiful thing. Sorry you didn't make the final cut, you guys. Yum! And there you have it. Grilled figs with goat cheese and prosciutto on a very comfortable bed of adorable baby arugula. I can't wait to try it. Here we go. I always blow a lot now after that soup incident. I've burnt my tongue on the soup stew. Mmm! 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 Wow. Mmm. That was really good. That was really good. The flavor of the cheese with the sweet of the fig and the salty of the prosciutto and then a little tang of those cute little baby arugulas. That is a really good dish. Highly recommend it. 2 thumbs up. To myself. Wow. This is so much fun because now we actually have more people to feed. So I'm gonna make plates for my evening magazine friends. Here you go. There you go, Kim.
Now I have 2 plates. One bite, Madeline? Or do you?
I do one bite.
Okay, I'm going for one bite.
It's like sushi. Here you go, Sky.
Oh, that's fun.
I want to hug it.
Right? It's so easy.
It's so good.
They just taste better. How about that for dinner?
It's not network television, but for the first time, Madeline isn't just producing for an audience. She's producing for herself and having the time of her life.
I was so excited because Evening Magazine was here that I totally forgot to say, see you next time on Mad in the Kitchen. Please like my videos on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.